Hey friends, my name is Waldo, and maybe you're just like me. You love the power of LioranBoard, but you do prefer the physical buttons of a Stream Deck. Well, this product, which we just released, is for you. Let's go! Today we release a new StreamUP product, which is a plugin for the ELGATO Stream Deck that allows you to press buttons inside of LioranBoard with just a simple click. No more dealing with complicated keyboard shortcuts, just fill in the button ID, press a button, and you're golden. As always, you can download this from the StreamUp.tips website. It will be the latest product available if you watch this video at this moment. Otherwise, you can scroll down a bit and it will be there under the tools section. When you download it, it's fairly straightforward. You got two files. One is the .lbe file, which is the LioranBoard extension. And the other file is the Stream Deck plugin file, which you can just double click and install into your ELGATO Stream Deck software. We're gonna install the extension into LioranBoard. So you open your LioranBoard receiver, you go to Install Extension, you pick the LBE file, the ELGATO Stream Deck bridge for LioranBoard LBE file. Let's say I want to use a physical button on my Stream Deck to start the Pokemon and Friends minigame that I have on my channel, which is also available on StreamUp.tips. Pick the button you want to trigger with your ELGATO Stream Deck and right click and make note of the button ID. Now that we have the plugin installed, you will find it in the right side of the Stream Deck software. And to add a button, just copy it and drag it along. You can give it a title, so let's say Poke, and we knew the ID was Poke_01. And now, as soon as we press the button, a new Pokemon will appear on my screen because that's the button we pressed in LioranBoard. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and you can now get the most out of your LioranBoard with the power of the physical buttons of the Stream Deck. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more. And don't forget to always check StreamUp.tips for the latest products.
I just want to say a huge thanks to all my patrons that help make this content full time, make it free for you guys, and also a huge thanks to all my YouTube members. You guys are legends. Thank you so much for everything that you do for me and the community. Keep it up, guys.